Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites. Verify your sound card or USB interface and note whether your OS is 32 or 64-bit. Once you have that, download the exact manufacturer driver package and save it to a known folder. Make a system restore point and close any audio apps. This prevents file locks. Next, temporarily disable antivirus and device protection so the installer can run. Then run the driver installer as administrator, and follow the installer prompts to perform the first phase of the setup. Once the installer finishes, open Device Manager and confirm the new driver appears under Sound, Video, and Game controllers. If old drivers persist, uninstall them and reboot. Then open the driver control panel. Choose a CO for low latency work or WASAPI/shared for standard applications. This affects latency and compatibility. Configure sample rate and bit depth to match your project, typically 44, 1 or 48 kHz and 24-bit. Also set buffer size. Smaller buffers reduce latency. You finish by making the audio device the system default and selecting it inside your apps or DAW. Then run playback and record tests to confirm input and output work. If you hear pops or dropouts, increase buffer size and ensure sample rates match across apps. Make sure Windows audio services are running and reboot if necessary. Troubleshooting tip: if problems continue, roll back to the previous driver or reinstall the latest package, swap cables, and use the manufacturer's diagnostic utility to capture error logs for support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.